Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Raven Janelle and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial on how I got these beautiful bohemian knotless braids. These are what they're looking like. Honestly, y'all, this hairstyle is so fire. Like, it came out way better than I expected, and I'm honestly so very proud of myself. Like, so proud. The reason I feel like it came out so well is because of the hair I used. I feel like with this style, if you use the wrong kind of curly hair, it is not going to come out how you want it to be. So if you want to know how I got this style, how I achieved it so well, please continue watching. Before I even started braiding, I sectioned out where I wanted my parts to be before doing each one. Check my description box for the full detailed parting video. But I'm starting by taking my braid down and detangling my hair. Next, I'm going to part a smaller section where I'm going to put my braid. Now I'm going to put some shine and jam on the part to clean it up and make it look more neat. Then I will pin back the rest of my hair and pull out my baby hairs. Now I'll put shine and jam all around the root of my part so that it will be flat when braiding. Then I will detangle my hair some more before I begin braiding. So now I'll begin braiding. You'll have to really watch what I'm doing because it's kind of hard to explain, but I can make a fully detailed video on how to braid and add in hair when braiding, but for now just watch how I am braiding and only adding hair on one side. Once I've added about 3 to 4 pieces of braiding hair, then I'll add in the curly hair the same way I added in the braiding hair, but I will keep one piece out and use my lips to keep it separated from the braid. You can use a clip too, but this is what worked best for me. Then I continue braiding until I get close to the end and I take out another curly piece and continue braiding the rest of the way. Now I'm going to let you watch me repeat these steps for the rest of my braids. Also, I wanted to let y'all know I wanted my hair to be very thick and full, which is why I added curly pieces to each braid. But if you don't want your hairstyle to come out as full or as thick as mine, then I would suggest using less curly pieces and to add curly pieces to every other braid or maybe every few braids so that it wouldn't be as full. But if you do want it to come out as thick as mine did, then I would say add curly pieces to every braid. Alright y'all, that's all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. Also follow me on my social media. Also check out my music. I will be dropping new music soon. If this video was of any help to you, leave a comment. Also, if you have any suggestions of what I could have done better, leave a comment. But with that being said, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.